Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here currently on the XRP short-term chart, and yeah, so far we can see that the market continues to grind in this sideways range, and I can tell you that another low would not be a surprise here, because so far from the lows here we have really only seen corrective rallies, only three wave patterns to the upside. So it remains my view that this could be interpreted as a meaningful low, the low on the 10th of October. I mean, we had a significant upside reaction afterwards and a long consolidation phase. I mean, this again has been a month now, right? We've been stuck for 4 weeks again in a sideways correction, in a consolidation phase, and it's a very sticky range. So the support zone remains between $1.77 and $2.17, and the resistance area above is, I think, very clearly defined. It is between $2.69 and $2.84. This is defined based on previous structural support, which has now been flipped as resistance on the 13th of October when we recovered but couldn't break above it, and then again when we tried again on the 28th of October. It's a sticky range. I do not see any meaningful attempt at the moment to break above this range. It's very important to understand. I don't want to create hopium here. But nevertheless, I'm obviously closely watching here price action for any signs of a meaningful recovery. Just important to understand that the bounce we have seen from the Tuesday low is only a three-wave move up. It's weak, kind of. Of course, we broke above initial resistance, but as I said, we broke above a resistance area basically within a range. So we're still in the same range, okay? It just widened the range a little bit. And so the main area is 269 to 284. Now I described to you what the 269 level is for. 284 is the swing high that formed before the selling volume kicked in on the 10th of October. Very, very important level. Some charts have broken above this level. Obviously it's different on every chart. But those charts that have managed to break above it are doing quite well, like ICP. Virtual is broken above it as well. So there are some that have broken above, and that is needed to indicate, therefore, that we get into a meaningful recovery. At the moment, I mean, as I said, I can definitely see the potential for another low here, in case this is a complex W, X, Y structure. A wave 2 correction, which we're tracking here, can be an ABC structure. That would be the normal correct complex one. So it could easily be a so-called WXY correction, in which wave W is a three-wave move, wave X is a three-wave move, and wave Y is also a three-wave move, A, B, C. So if we start to get some downside movement, some downside momentum in here, then this could represent the C wave to the downside, possibly targeting the $2.05 to $1.92 area, possibly all the way down to $1.76. As long as we're holding $1.76, I'm overall going to consider a bullish thesis here. But there is more work needed. And once we break below this previous swing low there from Sunday that formed around 224, I think we're going to dip back into the support region. For now, the bulls still have a chance. We could potentially get that breakout pattern, but as you can see, a few more waves are needed to even form 5 waves. So yeah, more momentum needed. This is pretty much just range-bound movement, basically just noise, unfortunately. I wish it was different. And overall, I'm still looking for higher, but I just need to see a bit more evidence for a low. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in joining the MCO family, the MCO community, you can check out our video that we have here on our channel page. It explains to you in just below 2 minutes what the membership is for, what it's about. As a member, for example, you can join our weekly live sessions every Sunday where we cover a lot of coins, take requests, and much more. You can access all these member update videos, at least many of them, depending on your tier. Uniswap was covered today, SUI yesterday, ICP. So there are many additional updates for members available here. And on Discord, if you're a gold member, you can access even more updates. There are even some bonus updates on stocks, gold, silver, trading view live charts, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.